is Ayan. He is a good boy. He likes to play with his parents. He feels sleepy now and also sad because his mother left her. Trying to calling his mom. Oh, mom. Wait, my dear. Your mom is coming.